Cable guy!
Okay, in this session, I will show you how to use the remote control. First things first, you must always make sure that it has AA batteries. Then you must make sure that the buttons light up. Make sure your buttons always light up. Every button that you press must light up. If you say a button that you press isn't working, that's because it isn't lighting up. Alright, always make sure every button that you press lights up to know that it is working fine. Okay. To program your TV with your remote control, you press OK, select, and mute together. Once you press those together, your lights will start flashing like this. And once you know the code for the brand that you have, in this case we have Samsung code is 031, it will turn off. You press OK, select, that locks it in. Now the most important thing you must remember to do is press mode and cable to set it, because you won't be able to control the box if you forget to press mode and cable. Once you press TV or all power, it turns on. But remember, whilst your box is on, if you press all power, the box will turn off while the TV turns on. So you remember, since you only turn off the TV, just press TV to turn on the box.
From the Georgia GOP to Secretary Raffensperger that had some issues that they wanted to be considered.
If your volume has already been set to your box, you could always control the volume for the TV by pressing mode and TV, and you'll be able to control the volume for the TV, as you can see.
To make sure every candidate, every campaign,
okay,
every election is
unmuted and everything. But if you want to go back to the box, you press mode, cable, and it controls the volume for the box. As you can see, the TV part is mute, so in order to unmute it, I have to press mode and TV to unmute it. Go back to the TV.
Experian Boost has helped millions of people. How can it help?
If I want to mute the TV via the box, just press mute, and the box itself will mute. Alright. But now to control the box volume, you must press OK, select, and cable together. Once the cable button lights up, you press volume up, then you press the cable button, and you'll see it blink like that and blink out. And that's how you control the volume for the cable box. Once you see it, then it works like that. You turn up make sure the volume's all the way up. And there you have it.